this spread, we have the fried chicken, the burger, and the cheese sticks. Listen to the crunch. Hello, everyone. Today I have a huge feast prepared just for you. Ambiance. Take a look at this extra crispy fried chicken right here.
All right, guys, feast your eyes on this double patty masterpiece. Look at that cheese just dripping. You have to let it soak in the buttermilk mix first. That is the secret to getting this perfectly double-cooked guy. The real secret to this perfect cheese pull is the freezing technique right before you fry. Okay, now it's time for the star of the show, the fried chicken.
Wow, look at the steaming out. Alright, I think I'm gonna finish the rest of this spread right now. Thank you all so much for joining me tonight. Good night. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.